Umunnem yanyam for na men market ta Diego. When men were sleeping, the Kanke Bible where men slept. Government in Onitsha tosi. Ne wasi men market. Talk na men market. This is happening live and direct. Na men market shop on them that will go. Amanu so government or government record. At least enough time. At least, Omakasita to my sister to master, Keji Chetiku to shop one. At least, when I hear since last year, when I work a month, 2 months, 3 months, Equadobe, they go to shop in January, 1 year, for almost 1 million. Here, I was no more shop. They go to Plaza, spend over 200 million, Kega go to shop here. Because na Sita to Masekwa, Sita to Masro. This is very painful. This is the largest market in West Africa. It's about to go down. Okay, what is the common hope? I mean, the hope of a common man now. How do we start from here? I mean, where do we go to? Government, we cannot fight you, but there are things you don't do. Now, we are losing our shops, the breadwinners, the fathers, the mothers. What will happen to their children? How do they raise their school fees tomorrow? I mean, how do they feed in this hard economy without enough notice? Let me ask this question. With all this development, do you think one day the market will still stand? At times we need wisdom. At times we need wisdom. I'm not trying to say that government did not give any notice, but trust me when I say the notice is too short. There are people that lose their goods. Look at that building there. It's an upstairs being destroyed. Oh my God, this is too much.
My fellow Nigerians, this is Onitsha main market.
This is too
much. Especially at Bright Street. Here is the entrance to Shidera Line.
I feel like crying.
As you can see, people are packing. People are packing their goods.
What do we call this?
By this time tomorrow, our governor's Mr. Charles Sonodo will be demolition from this place.
So all these shops are going to go down?
White House. All the way
all
to the
these
White
mansions
House.
are going to go down
from here to the White House. From
White House to the all these
shops
are
almost empty now.
You can see people already packed.
My brother, is a very terrible situation. Someone that have shop in January, now
this is too
without shop. All this place now is brought down by this time tomorrow. It was just a very sad story. A story that I don't know even how to tell. This is somebody's father, somebody's brother, breadwinner of the family. But as you can see, you can never fight the government. All this mansion that you are seeing now, from this place all the way to the White House, up there, down there, almost about 5,000 people will be losing their shops tomorrow. More than 5,000 people will be losing their shops tomorrow. Where will they run to in this our situation of Nigeria? As you can see, they are still even busy packing their goods. I cannot even cover the whole of the market. That keke there was carrying people's goods. A lot of people. Some people are busy now. I cannot even zoom the video. Look at that shop down there. I just show from inside the market. I cannot even go inside. But this is what we are seeing in Anambra State now. Today is the 28th day of February. 28th day of February. So this is what we are just seeing today. People are going through a lot in Nigeria. Much especially Anambra State. May God come and see us through. Look at what people are passing through. A lot of people are just going. Today is weekend. Not even know what will their family eat tomorrow. How will they cope tomorrow? Just see. Onitsha main market, this is Bright Street. All these places will be brought down tomorrow. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I'm doing this video. I don't know. Just seeing people running up and up. Look at this man trying to make away with his goods. Well, I can't say anything. Just may God be with us. Thank you.
I know now you remember much of the after the struggle everywhere. So on your brother and if I go with mafia. I believe now I pass the go. And I just got a pattern of there, police here, everywhere. No, it's not 10. I would have been in here. I don't remember mother. I don't remember mother. I don't remember. watch your knife on your plan and make what up. Not the small thing. I don't even market a knife for now. Everywhere I went for a shop and the mother is the guitar. On your body, will give you far. Not the small thing. Look at that wine, Eben. It will shimmer. I mess an eye at our side there. On one side, I got another pedicine. You will have one man's border everywhere. Not the small thing. It will shimmer. No burger and I think I don't have to see everywhere. If I was in my pad, how funny my pad. I've been in and I'm telecom. I've been in if I'm telecom. Say, I've been in there. Telecom. I got on you don't have one of faith element. I pay the cigar one everywhere. I pay the cigar everywhere. Everywhere. Right. Then I shop on the mothers. No be small thing now. Hi. You watch an everything and everything and hi. I'm getting a menu. I'm getting a menu. Oh, bright to be far. Yeah, bright to be far. Bright street. Everything and with the book first of month. March. I'm a market kind of knife. With a knife in my market. After the paper. No be small thing on them. No be small thing. Everything and I'm gonna go more mad again, man. I'm gonna go more mad again, man. On your brother, be now got it. I'm gonna come more mad again. I know what kind of work yes, I got. Damn everywhere. More. Damn everywhere. I wear this ever under mother, but I wouldn't fail. You watch ever and they have put damn in ever now. Everywhere and damn. Everywhere and damn. Oh, Shimo. My side in a peg, I tell you. One of Papa and that side. So Salan Mozia. I believe you book if I can't believe you. The one damn now. The one believe you no. That is small thing. Hi. I wish him. Mother Boran. Then the mother Boran, where Babu and I got paid the bag of fun every new year. It was Sunday. I'm a market knife. I back in an element. I back, I know, I back a man that I didn't every big book.
N'anya una fu n'obi adịghịzi anyị mma. Anyị nọ na parking Sunday ọgwa anyị na parking gbasapụ iru ga na nwekwa onye mere ibia. Ụkọbọyị. Ufu na anyị nọzi na parking na ya bụ ife abụrụgokwa nne. Ogene bụ ife a kedu ebe anyị ebido n'ogodo nnukwu chọpụ dị otu a. Akwa onye nwe chọpụ a nwekwa nke a o. Ya nwekwa nke a o. Ekola akademia kedu ebe a ga-ebido. Kedu ụdị punishment bụ ife nke a. Nwanne m ọnwụ ihe nwere enwekwa ebe unu nwere shop na-agwa anyị ka anyị tinyebe na ngwaahịa karị biko mama m ebe a ga-ebido ọnwụ ebe unu nwere shop na-agwa anyị ka anyị tinyebe biko
Knife and market no be small thing. Knife and market hey Ewushimo gịnị ka ndị mmadụ ga-eme n'iyo ọ na-eme na main market kịta main market life in main market na ebe egwu nyo so n'udo ebudo kwa n'ọrụ ebe dị na-ata na Every another and hata no be small thing. Crowd everywhere. Not the small thing. Crowd everywhere. Oh. Ebe niile na-abụ na shop ndị mmadụ. Na shop ndị mmadụ. I'm gonna ka ndị mmadụ ga-eme nyo. I'm gonna ka ndị mmadụ ga-eme nyo. Na-adapụkwara ebe. Ife niile a ga-apịarisi apịarisi. Ife niile a mpịarisi. Mpịarisi. Ebe niile efuru mpịarisi. Ndị be anyị atago na afụfụ. Ndị be anyị atago na afụfụ nyo. No, this small thing. Ebe niile I'm trying to see. Hey. I'm where this security shot that they guy out.
Can we go and get this? So can we go and get one? So soon as
Igbo anyị nọ na main market Onitsha kịta a ka na-ekwu okwu na-emechi main market a na-ekwu okwu ka azụ ahịa on Monday nke ka nke wee mee a makara almost half of main market for demolition ebe a nọkịta Bright Street plaza si nne ebe a makara for demolition nsogbu dị bịakwa cheke shop gị o